is from www.makemegenius.com. If you want to see more science videos, go to www.makemegenius.com. Oh, yeah, it is free.
Today's topic: water cycle.
Wow, rain has started.
Oh, I wanted to play more.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
We want to play today. And now it has stopped. I don't understand how this water comes down. Is there a shower in the sky?
Jimmy, there is no shower in the sky. You want to know how rain comes?
Yes, yes.
Let us see how it happens.
Why have you brought the sun and a jug of water?
Oh, I wanted to show you how rain happens.
Oh.
Let's put a mark on the water level of the jug. Let's go home now, and later we will see what happens to the water in the jug.
After 4 hours. Oh, water level has come down. Who has drunk it?
Nobody has drunk it. It has become water vapor because of the sun's heat. It is called evaporation. Let's follow these vapors.
When water turns into water vapor due to heat, it is called evaporation.
Let me show you something. You know, nobody can see these water vapors as they are too small. But we can see these because of our magic wand.
Oh, there are a lot of water vapors coming from all around.
Yes, water vapors are like hot air. When air becomes hot, it goes up.
When air becomes hot, it goes up. Oh, it is so cold here.
Here are warm clothes for us. As you go up, weather becomes cold. When water vapor reaches the cooler place, they start taking the shape of water again. It is called condensation.
When water vapor reach cooler places, they come near to each other and again change into water. It is called condensation. Oh, these small drops are becoming bigger.
Yes, now they are becoming heavier.
They have started falling down now.
Yes, now they are becoming bigger and heavier. They are falling down due to Earth's gravity. This is called precipitation.
Precipitation.
See, Jimmy, now the raindrops has become part of river.
Oh, now again, it would become a vapor when sun would come out.
You're a smart boy. That is why it is called the water cycle. My magic wand would show this. Let me show you how to make rain at home.
Water is turning into vapor due to heating.
Like sun heats the water in the pond and rivers, and water becomes vapor. Let me put a cover on it. It is not hot. Water gets evaporated due to heat. It reaches the cover. As the cover's temperature is low, it condenses. Then, more water drop combines and it precipitates.
Wow! Let me note it down how rain happens. First, evaporation happens. Then, water molecules come close and condensation happens. Then drops become bigger and heavier and precipitation happens. First, evaporation. evaporation, then condensation and precipitation. Then rain happens.
Let's go out. Something is happening.
Oh, it is a hailstorm.
Yes, these are small balls of ice.
Why does this happen? Is there a refrigerator in the clouds?
Let me show you.
Oh, it is so cold here. I would freeze.
Yes, if water vapors in the air go very high, they start freezing like ice.
Oh, then they start falling down.
Yes, when they become heavy, they start falling down. Let's go back to Earth now.
Oh, I thought God has a refrigerator in the sky.
Let's go home. You're really wet now.
Yes, let's make rain at home.
So you're going to www.makemegenius.com for science videos. It also has lots of interesting facts and PowerPoint presentations for children.